Hey guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete the Halloween Spotlight task in Dress to Impress. If you go to the Halloween Spotlight section here, select this bit. You'll need to play 2 rounds only using the new Halloween items, and you'll need to beat the Lina quest once. So here, I've already done that. Basically, you're only allowed to use like the new items. So this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. I think this one, these ones, this one, and the button eye, because the rest like aren't new. I tried using this, it doesn't like register for some reasons, and then for the VIP section, use this set, and then this set, and just this top, because the headband isn't a new Halloween item. And you're only able to use new Halloween hairs as well. So these ones you're able to use, but the rest won't count. So you're going to do that for 2 rounds. Then you're just going to beat the Lina quest again. You'll need to redo it again, unfortunately. And then out of all of it, you'll get 60 candies. I know it's not a lot, but only if you want to do it. I know the Lina quest is annoying to do, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!